I'm your host from PureRtech, the channel where we explore everyday tech that actually helps. If you enjoy practical gadgets with real value, hit subscribe and let's get started. Experience iconic style with the Motorola Razr 2024, featuring a sleek foldable design in stunning beach sand. This unlocked US model comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage for smooth multitasking and ample space. Capture sharp, vibrant photos with the 50-megapixel camera, enjoy a responsive display, and benefit from modern performance packed into a compact, pocket-friendly smartphone built for everyday use. The Aurzen Zip Trifold DLP Mini Projector delivers big entertainment in a truly pocket-sized design. Featuring zero-lag focus, one-click screen mirroring, and immersive full-screen mode, it's perfect for creative displays, art projections, or casual movies. With a built-in 5,000 mAh battery, Type-C fast charging, and Bluetooth support, this portable gold projector offers smooth performance anytime, anywhere. No bulky setup required. This ultra-thin, upgraded foldable electric kettle is designed for travelers who value safety and convenience. Made from food-grade silicone, it features boil-dry protection, dual voltage support, and a separable power cord for easy packing. With 555 milliliter capacity and 110 to 220 volt compatibility, it works worldwide using a US plug. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for hotels, camping, offices, and on-the-go hot beverages. The Ring Black wearable wireless mouse redefines control with intuitive air gestures and compact design. This 3D wireless ring mouse lets you navigate, click, and present slides effortlessly using natural finger movements. Ideal for gamers, presenters, and creators, it offers precise motion tracking, wireless freedom, and hands-free convenience. Lightweight and futuristic, it transforms how you interact with screens during gaming, presentations, or smart device control. Stand out in any crowd with the Illuminated Apparel Original Interactive Glow-in-the-Dark T-shirt. Designed for fun-filled birthday parties, festivals, and night events, this shirt lights up with touch using glow technology that reacts instantly. Creative, eye-catching, and easy to use, it lets you draw, play, and interact in the dark. A unique wearable experience that turns ordinary outfits into unforgettable party highlights. Protect your home from costly water damage with the GoveeLife upgraded smart water leak detector. Featuring ultra-fast 1-second detection and an impressive 1,084-foot long-range connection, it sends instant alerts via app push, SMS, email, and sound alarm. With up to 5 years of battery life at a convenient 5-pack, it's ideal for monitoring basements, kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas reliably. Elevate your space with the Levitating bulb lamp, a magnetic fluting LED light that mesmerizes as it hovers and rotates 360 degrees. Perfect as a desk lamp, table lamp, or night light, it creates a futuristic ambiance for your room, home, or office. Its unique design makes it an eye-catching conversation piece and a perfect gift for tech lovers, modern decor enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys innovative lighting solutions. Stay hydrated safely with the LARQ PureVis 2 UV water purifier that self-cleans and eliminates up to 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria. Featuring app-based hydration tracking, a convenient filter straw, detachable handle, and double-wall insulation, it keeps water pure and cold or hot for hours. Ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, this smart bottle combines advanced purification, durability, and modern design for a healthier, hassle-free hydration experience. Keep devices powered on the go with this retractable backseat car phone charger. Compatible with iPhone, Android phones, and Type-C laptops, it ensures passengers and drivers stay connected during rides. Perfect for Uber, Lyft, taxis, and rideshare services, its retractable design prevents clutter while providing fast, reliable charging. A practical and durable car accessory that enhances convenience for both drivers and passengers on every journey. Help your little ones sleep soundly with the Hatch Rest 2nd Gen Baby Sound Machine and Nightlight. This Wi-Fi-enabled nursery essential combines white noise, soothing sounds, bedtime stories, and a customizable nightlight to create the perfect sleep environment. It doubles as a sleep trainer and time-to-rise alarm clock, supporting consistent routines for toddlers. Easy to control via app, it's a versatile tool for better sleep and a calm, happy nursery. Feed and monitor your pets effortlessly with the PETLIBRO automatic cat feeder. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and night vision, it lets you watch your cat or dog anytime via 5G Wi-Fi. Features include two-way audio, low food and blockage sensors, and motion and sound alerts to keep your pets safe and healthy. The single-tray design ensures precise portions, making it perfect for busy pet owners who want peace of mind and convenience. Keep your boots, shoes, and gloves dry and warm with the FORLIM boot dryer. Featuring a heat blower, telescopic bendable dry ports, and a 180-degree adjustable rack, it ensures even drying for work boots, sneakers, and gloves. The intelligent timer prevents overheating, while its compact, durable design fits neatly in any space. Perfect for wet weather, outdoor workers, or sports enthusiasts, it delivers fast, efficient drying and comfort every time. Track your health effortlessly with the RingConn Gen 2 Air, an ultra-thin AI smart ring designed for both men and women. Monitor fitness, sleep, stress, and heart rate with precision, all without an app subscription for standard features. With up to 10 days of battery life and seamless iOS and Android compatibility, this stylish Dune Gold Smart Ring, size 8, combines advanced health tracking, comfort, and elegance in a compact wearable. Enjoy your favorite beverage in style with the Camera Lens coffee mug. Designed to look like a real camera lens, this stainless steel thermos mug is perfect for photographers, students, friends, or anyone who loves unique drinkware. Durable, fun, and practical, it keeps drinks hot or cold while sparking conversation. Ideal as a gift, home essential, or school reward, it combines creativity and functionality in one eye-catching mug. With LiDAR navigation and high suction power, the K11 Plus fits into tight spaces while efficiently cleaning debris. Its self-dumping dock reduces maintenance, and voice assistant compatibility makes automated control simple. Great for apartments or offices, it keeps floors tidy with minimal setup and hands-off operation.